So I hear you like toys.
I think I like food.
Oh.
Take a look.
Let's put the bear back.
Oh, but I'm fat.
Well, well, and tell me about your fur.
Well, it's all gone, but it's gonna grow back and it's gonna be long and beautiful.
You have a long coat.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you guys shaved.
Yeah, but it'll be long again and beautiful again.
And you are on the spa plan. You're losing weight. Yeah. And I hear you like squeaky toys.
I love squeaky toys.
Let's see.
Oh, well.
Where's our toy person? Is she taking a nap?
Can she throw it at me? Woo! I got it.
Oh, yay!
Let's try again with another toy. You got another one to throw at me? Oh, I'm waiting for it. You're getting it. Ready? Throw it. Oh, I got it.
Oh!
So maybe doing that 100 times a day will make me lose weight.
It will.
Yep. Oh, I got that one too. Okay,
are we out of toys? Oh, that's probably your phone call.
Oh, I dropped that one. How embarrassing.
Gotta go.
I'll make